Executive Order, Restoring Freedom of Speech and Ending Federal Censorship, January 20th, 2025. This executive order, issued under presidential authority, emphasizes the importance of protecting free speech in the United States as enshrined in the First Amendment of the Constitution. The document identifies and addresses concerns about government overreach in moderating or suppressing speech, particularly through actions taken by the previous administration. It outlines several key sections. Purpose. The order highlights that the First Amendment is essential to the Republic and condemns recent practices of government interference in free speech. It criticizes prior censorship of speech through coercive pressure on social media platforms and other third parties, arguing that these actions were carried out under the pretense of addressing misinformation, but violated constitutional protections. Policy. The order declares the following principles: protection of free speech, safeguarding Americans' constitutionally protected speech from government interference; prohibition on censorship, ensuring no government entity, officer, or agent engages in activities that unlawfully abridge free speech; taxpayer resource integrity, ensuring that taxpayer funds are not used for unconstitutional censorship; accountability for past misconduct, investigating and correcting previous government actions that suppressed protected speech; ending censorship of protected speech; prohibition of censorship activities. Federal departments, agencies, and personnel are explicitly forbidden from using resources to violate free speech rights. Investigation and remedial actions. The Attorney General, with input from other executive leaders, is tasked with investigating government censorship practices over the past 4 years. A report will be submitted to the President with findings and recommendations for corrective actions. General provisions. Legal consistency. The order ensures that it does not override existing legal authorities or interfere with budgetary or administrative functions. Implementation conditions. It is to be carried out in accordance with the law and within budgetary constraints. Non-enforceability clause. The order does not create any enforceable legal rights or benefits for individuals against the government. In summary, this order seeks to reaffirm and protect free speech rights, eliminate unconstitutional censorship, and hold accountable those responsible for past violations, while ensuring the actions are consistent with legal and administrative frameworks. Subscribe for more!